About 15 years ago, 2009, Louisville Metro experienced one of the largest rain events in history. It was a deluge of sorts, of epic proportions, and over the course of 1 hour, 7 inches of rain fell in this area, in this part of West Louisville. Not only were properties and houses damaged because of the floodwaters, but a lot of people in this community lost items and also connections of a lifetime of memories and parts of their lives that will never be had again. We were able to get over a $9 million grant, which allowed MSD to help residents move out of harm's way if they chose to do that. And it also gave us an opportunity beyond the FEMA funding to receive Phase 1 funding for a park and a green space in this community.
This was a compelling case. When we made the case before the Appropriations Committee and let them know that actually only 1% of the land in the California neighborhood is dedicated to parks or open space, it doesn't take anybody supreme intelligence to understand that that's not a healthy, that's not the sign of a healthy community or a healthy neighborhood.
This opportunity, this green space, this park, will be a shining example of the importance of engineering that promotes equity and keeps our communities and our residents safe.
I think because the neighborhood has been involved since the beginning in designing it, and they will continue to be involved as we move into Phase 2 and Phase 3, that's what's going to bring the positivity. They'll have ownership. This will be theirs.
One of the things I've really loved about our MSD team is they see themselves, and they are much more than keepers of our metropolitan sewer district. When they see opportunities to make our whole city better, they do it. This is a project, as an example, where it was important to Tony and his team to steward this through the community, working with Brooke, working with the council, working with us to make sure it's repurposed into a beautiful park.
To be able to have an opportunity for children in this community to have a place to go, for families to be able to have a place to gather, for community to be able to come together for the purpose of community building is going to be so much of an asset for this part of our city.
So it's going to be a park for all. It's going to be awesome.